ignition, submissions.
Today we're back with the YFM50 Raptor, and today we're gonna do a ignition coil test. The easiest way to find your ignition coil is to find the spark plug first and trace it, and you'll feel and see the ignition coil. The spark plug's right here, and we're going to trace, and the ignition coil is right here. First, we got to take off these two bolts on the ignition coil. We brought the ignition coil in the shop, and we're going to check for resistance across primary and secondary. This is a primary side. This and this. We're going to put the red alligator clip on this. And we're going to put the negative on this spot right here. And we got 0.7. About at 0.7. So we are gonna do is we're gonna see on the service manual, and it says we should be at 0.18 through 0.28. We're a little high and we off spec. This is the secondary side. We're gonna be putting the negative in here, and we're gonna see how many we have. We're reading 8.46 k-ohms. Our service manual says that we should be around 6.32 through 9.48 k-ohms. We are within spec. The last thing that we have to check is the resistance of the boot. We are reading 8.27 k-ohms. That's how you check ignition coil. Thanks for watching. Bye.